Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back. Okay, this is day 11, and sorry. I do that. I'm like a day behind all the time. Day 12, and it's torn edges. So this is prompt number 12, torn edges, and I'm still down this rabbit hole, but I'm having a blast. And I don't know. I just don't. Can't tell you. I don't know. But it sure was fun making it. You know, I took some more of those papers. This time when I was playing and looking with my paint and stuff, I saw this is splattered up on this, I don't know what this was. It was a printout, got messed up, all blurry looking. But anyway, so the gold had got on it with the blue, and that looked pretty good. So I pulled it out, the big spot where all the gold was. And then I took me some piano roll behind here. And then I took a piece of the other paper that I was using for my spider guard. And put it behind that because, you know, I want to pop and be lighter. So I put that light behind that. And then I made this to like a little table. Yeah, you know, in the country we reuse stuff, so that's a table or a coffee table. And I put me some tulips, little vase on there because that just made me happy. And I let it pop with the white behind and kind of burst out into all this stuff, you know, like it's like you're looking back in the other parts of the room. You know, there's the doorway arching around and you're looking back up in there and you just don't know what's back in there. About be a hand or two. You never know. So anyhow, that's number 11, torn edges. Bye. Y'all have a good one. See you on the next go round. Love you. Mwah. Don't be